Hello guys. Today we will be doing the extreme challenge. This is part 2. And we're gonna be doing a really fast one. Let's do private one. Yeah. What's that called? We will be doing extreme landing challenges. Okay. So here we go. And you may never and if you're thinking your audio is off, it's because I don't have audio. Oh wait. Okay, now we have the most extreme. Now we're doing turbulence too. Oh no. Ooh. This is gonna be the same as last time, the challenge wise. So we may have to, I don't know. I think we probably will have to just go with easy. You know what? Let's just get this to let's see. What's it called? We could get it a little bit less. Let's do 25 knots. Wind gust as 27. And then no turbulence. Okay. I don't know. I mean, it's possible still, I guess. I'll just try and do it. I mean, if anything, we're gonna get a smooth landing now. Okay, well, we're approaching stall. Surprisingly, though, this has a really good stall speed of a nice, what's that called? Probably, I think I got to 55 knots until it said stop. Okay. So, oh, come on. Okay. It probably won't help, but I feel like it kind of does. But we may just do... Okay, well, it's not gonna let us do that. We're just gonna do the tail. It's probably the same. Okay. Feels easier. I almost think I should just keep the rudder on, because of how difficult this is. Come on. It's like the wind is not going to let us down. Now, if it does, we're just going to be hitting the ground at 1 billion miles per hour. Yeah, I don't even think we can land. I mean, we could, but it's not gonna be smooth. And we're up. That's why. It's because of stupid speed. Okay. Okay. Miss. Yeah, we're gonna stall. Okay. Maybe if we're lucky, it'll work pretty good. Okay. We're running up with the runway. Okay. I think that should count. I mean, I did stop and I didn't overrun, kind of. Okay. Okay, now we're gonna do the Spitfire, I think. I think that's what it is. Oh, okay. Oh, whoa. Okay, that was not a good start at all. I'm gonna try and stall this thing so then we could have less speed. Oh, nope. Stall. Come on, please. Yeah, my wind is at 359-degree angle because I don't think I can actually do it more. I mean, we can go any runway. I was just doing that runway because it was right in front of me. And I don't think we'll have luck with either. We almost had it. Okay. So, we may never do this. 1, 2. I don't really care what happens if we land. Okay. We're just gonna have to, I don't know. Let's just change the wind direction. We're gonna have to do that. There's really no way we're gonna even do this. I don't know, I'm getting all those weird ones. Okay. Maybe, yeah, I don't know. I mean, let's see. Yeah, I was gonna do 0 degrees. I don't know what 0 degrees is. Are we even going towards the runway? Can't really tell. Okay, this is getting pretty difficult. We're gonna do a 90-degree angle, I guess, even though it'll be pushing up. Okay. Yeah. We're gonna have to give up, probably. The problem with this plane is it is not going the right way. Ooh. Yeah, we're gonna count that because it's taking too long. Even though it crashed, but I don't really care. Okay. Oh, nope. That wind caught us again. Yeah. Sounds like it won't let us land. Yay, we... It is kind of getting annoying. Yeah. I don't know, we can't do this because of stupid wind. Okay. And then, okay, we have that. We're only gonna do 25. There, now it won't be as impossible. Tokyo Drift. Da, 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 da. Okay, this is not good at all. It's almost like this thing is gonna force us to crash. We're gonna do that one more time. Perfect landing. No, I'm being exaggerating. Okay. Yay, smooth landing. One more time. Getting really frustrated about this. Yeah, I'm just gonna say that was a landing. I don't really care anymore. Okay, now we are into the more airliners. Okay, I mean, it's actually kind of easy now with these guys, obviously. One more time. This is like the hardest thing ever. Come on, seriously? I almost buttered it. Okay, we'll just count that. It was pretty good anyway. Okay. Now we're going on to the jets. The problem with these things is if you hit, we're like, yeah. If you hit like the bottom, like kind of, for example, if you did it like to Nerfy, I guess, then this thing would be eliminated from existence for some reason. Yeah. We can't land. If we touch down, it doesn't work. But if we touch down good, then it just crashes. See, it's like, what in the world? Okay, I think that we did it. Okay, now we're in the bigger guys. Yeah. See, this game is not easy at all. I can't even land this thing at all. Just a few more tries. Okay, you know what? I don't really care anymore. Let's just say we did it. Okay. Ooh, that was actually really good, but I didn't get them stay on the runway, so... Woo! That was actually... Oh, nope. I mean, it's really just about landing. I don't really... that shouldn't count, so yeah. Well, it should count, I mean. Okay. We're about to land. And... yeah, that's it. That's not gonna count. Okay, we did it. Oh, okay. Well, there we go. Okay. And lastly, we have the huge A380. Nope, still the worst landing in history. We're gonna do this kind of landing. perfect. Nope, not perfect. I'm not gonna do that. There we go. Not overrun. I'm gonna do that one more time because this stupid thing isn't working. Okay. So we filled that one beautifully. Ooh, okay. Yep, I like that. Now we can just stop. Now if we can just stop. Okay, we're gonna restart that again and again and again and again and again until we get the perfect landing. And we don't actually overrun the stupid runway. Okay, good. But why is it turning? I'm not even turning it that way. Okay. And we won. Be sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and bye.